Ito na po ang finished product ng ating garlic pepper beef a la Jollibee. For today's video, we will cook garlic pepper beef a la Jollibee. Gagamitin natin ang sukat na 500 grams or half kilo na beef. Pero this time, yung ginamit ko is 100 grams. So, i-adjust na lang natin yung measurement. But we will be introducing the 500 grams measurement. Pinili na natin yung pangsanggyo para para madaling maluto at saka thin slice siya. So, i-transfer na natin siya sa basin para dito na tayo mag-adjust, mag-marinate. Titimplahan na natin. Add natin yung 1 tablespoon na soy sauce. Tapos mag-add tayo ng oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. But anyway, pag kulang to later, we can add up naman later. Tapos mag-add ka ng 1/2 teaspoon na pepper. And then, mix well para marinate na din ito. Set aside after. Then, mag-cut ng maraming bawang. Add oil. Medium heat fire, and then fry the garlic until light brown. And then set aside muna natin. Tapos i-add na natin yung ating meat. I-fry lang yung meat. And matuproduce yan ng water. Yan ang iluto natin sa meat. Ayan, so it produces its own water. So this time we will add half of our garlic. Ayan. Half lang. Kasi mamaya later add natin yung half. Meanwhile, cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After a few minutes, yan na po ang ating beef. But we will still cook this one until the water, yung sauce natin ay talagang nakadikit na sa ating meat para more yummy. Make it sure na kaunti lang yung oil na natira. And then this time, magtunaw tayo. Melt the margarine or butter. Tapos ilagay na yung mushroom. And then cook for 1 minute para lumabas yung flavor at lasa ng margarine at mushroom. And then add 1 spoon of flour and then mix for 1 to 2 minutes. And then this time we're going to add 1 cup water. If mayroon kayong beef cube, beef broth, pwede din add to ng 1/2 slice of beef cube. Add toyo. Add pepper and salt. Mix well until the sauce is sticky. Pag sticky na yung sauce, we're going to add the meat. And then, add the meat. Tapos, pwede na natin i-add yung natira na garlic. And mix. Ito na po ang finished product ng ating garlic pepper beef a la Jollibee.